It is Monday, and for the past 3 weeks, Mondays hasn't been such good for our session, at least London session, I mean. But still, let's stay consistent. Let's see, and I guess after February, let's take some inclusions. What happened? What to change? And so on. Right now, let's just collect as much data as possible. So we will continue trading on Monday, even though I already see that, yeah, not the best day. So let's start with EURUSD. What we have recently, it is possible that we tap in this order block in here. We have quite nice target, which will be this over the weekend cap in here. Could be filled, maybe even like, let's put it like this, that it will be filled. GBPUSD actually has filled already this cap, so this target, yeah, would be here. So I would say target wise, EURUSD has like a better outlook. As well, we have this possibly, it's still forming, but possibly forming order block in here. What we need this fair value gap for 10 more minutes, and then next candle should push up and aggressively start selling. If I look at as of overall, let's say whole Asia session overview, then we can see that like our strategy or our method is working pretty fine, because we had order block here, price tapped exactly here, turned around. Yeah, here is no more order blocks. Here is one order block. I don't think it will come to play in our session, but for example, here was the order block. I don't know if it tapped in here. I guess actually, yeah, maybe so. But if, then here would be sells, which would be profit. Let's see, GBPUSD, I guess the same thing. This is our target, hit to the pip, then turned around. Next target is in here, hit, turned around, just like those order blocks. Here is top order block, price went down, hit this order block and took off. Everything working so nicely, and as well here as well. So from order block to order block, it's just amazing place. For example, if you start in here, like here, we got the tap, buy till the next order block, which was here, turn around, sell till the next order block, which was here. We tapped into the order block and sell till, I don't even know. Here I would just put 2-hour take profit, I guess, because we pretty much right now have tapped all of our targets. Also, actually, EURUSD, if we tap to this order block, I don't know if we should buy. I think we should try it, but I'm not quite sure. Would it be good trade or not? But yeah, if our setup is there, I would take this buy. With GBPUSD, like next place to buy is actually in here. So yeah, not really good outlook. I mean, not bad as well, but just it looks like over the Mondays we don't have that much trading activity. But let's see, maybe like over the next 10 minutes we will have some really nice setup. Just like, again, like I don't know, like everything happens 10 minutes earlier than we start trading. I guess it's just like, sometimes it's not 10 minutes, 1 hour earlier. So sometimes it's 1 hour earlier, sometimes it's 1 hour later. I think our session is like average golden zone time, but just this whole year, I don't know, if we would have started 1 hour earlier, like we would have a lot more trades. For example, in here, let's look at this. Yep, even like 20 minutes earlier, we had a tap, nice red candle, sell signal. I guess we would run, let's see, take profit 7 pips. I don't know, maybe like a hardcore take profit would be here. I wouldn't like to get like 60 big take profit, but like I said, probably 1-to-1 plus 2-to-1. And but yeah, just like picture perfect, everything lining up as it should. Let me remove those because right now we don't need them. By the way, really nicely shown in here as well. It was like this order block indicator show really nicely exactly those places, like exactly in here I wanted to have cells as well, and order block indicator show you that yes, that is the place to sell. And the buy zone, perfect. If you go back to the 15-minute, what we just have like supply and demand, pretty huge levels. But yeah, let's see, and yeah, this is correct one. Here is the next one. I would look for buys or final targets in here as well, so it will help you out pretty nicely. But I think right now we don't need it because our analysis is done. Let's see over the next like 10 minutes if we are going to catch something. But yeah, I guess most, like maybe EURUSD will give us the buy or the sell, but GBPUSD I don't think we will get the buy. That's like too far away. But let's see. I don't know. Let me remove this here as well because we didn't took this trade. It happened 30 minutes ago, which was by the way a perfect trade. But yeah, happens. Yeah, like time wise as well, I start keeping eye on where those like the best setups will happen, because I really like this idea to not trade whole day, even though like in my past, like my best results or like basically all of my money has made from trading whole day. So in that case I would have already 3% profit from here, take profit 1 and 2 hit it. Euro, yeah, that early I wouldn't be in here. But yeah, like if you trade whole day, then those order blocks make like really sense. So far we have like last week was break even, 2 weeks before that both of them were profitable weeks, although we haven't had like really good runs, like I mean like good market conditions in our setups. Still like really nice results. Yeah, let's see here. Let's look at the 50-minute chart or like 1-minute chart on EURUSD. We need a little bit more, or we need upwards. Quite possible, actually quite possible that something is going to happen. It's crazy compared to the US 30. It takes like so much time, even though it's kind of scalping still, like heavy scalping, because we have like 5 pip stop loss and and so on, and within 20 minutes we want to have trades and so on. Like most of the traders wait for some setup to form like few days, but it still feels like, you know, forever to catch some trade. But yeah, let's see. By the way, broker wise as well, like it's not official yet, but I'm about to get like really good deal with really good broker. So yeah, if you're interested, like I don't make much of you, but probably most of my like subscribers are watching this. So if you want really good place to trade live, like live broker or your live account, then hit me up. Through me you will get directly to the ebook, so you don't have any manipulation. I think during this week I will get like the links for that, so if you're interested you can hit me up. But it's nothing like crazy different. Just I know that you know, through me or through my link, through my deal, let's put it that way, you don't have this b-book nonsense. If you haven't traded with live account, then you maybe don't know this, but yeah, there is a lot of manipulation going on with brokers. So you will actually like, it shows like you have live account, but actually you have demo account. And if you start winning, then they want to have your stop losses, and they start playing around with it. So yeah, it was like, it took me quite a while to got this deal, or like got the broker what I can trust and put my own money in there. So yeah, just if you're interested, you can hit me up. Okay, now it's interesting, we are going upwards. Maybe we will catch this order block up there, and yeah, we will have the sells. But also like I said, like you know, it's Monday, so I don't expect to have trades, but still I try to be here over the Mondays. Actually, like over the last three weeks, it's pretty I think we have trades on like 3 setups per week on average, and it's Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday, I guess, on average. So it's like midweek trades usually. Okay, we have nice movements upwards. I like it because already this gap should be filled. So if we have like more movements, I know it's Monday, but maybe we can have a little bit more movements. Let's wait for next, I don't know, 5 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, it's just playing around in here. It looks like it's going down. Like this was our, you know, let's say 50-minute wick up, and now we are making like candle down. But also it could be a different way. So let's see. That's why this London Open is so interesting. That usually some like start of the day move happens within this like 10-20 minutes. Yeah, but let's see. Actually, like most of the trades happening 5 minutes before session open, or like few minutes after. So it's actually like I think even less than 10 minutes window. But just in case, I have seen like 8 minutes before London opening trades as well. So that's why I try to start like 10 minutes before, just to get everything ready, set it up, and so on. Yeah. Okay, it's really slow. I don't know, let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let's see. It looks like it's just a regular Monday. Let's see. GBPUSD on 1 minute as well. Yeah, we don't even have signal here. Damn, we had this clear signal here. So unlucky that we missed that one. And here we almost tapped. EURUSD needed a bit more push. That's why it's nice that we have GBPUSD indicator in here as well, and the pair. That if EURUSD won't give us that, then maybe GBPUSD will give it to us. And yeah, with this week, this month is going to end. It's looking pretty promising month right now. Like I said, just last week was break even. With US 30, there was quite unusual day, but also like I expected that this day would happen like few times a year. So yeah, make sure that you will stay tuned or like watch later on US 30 session as well, because like most probably I will recover all the losses. Then I will show you how to do that. It's just like risk management should be on place. That was missing actually on Friday, because I was just making new trades, but actually like within the first, I don't know, 5 trades, I already knew that this is not going to be good day. So but yeah, just like for testing purpose, let's put it that way. I just want to go through with this. But yeah, today let's see how we will recover from that. Okay, I don't know. I don't really see that we get some sort of trade here. We have like 3 minutes till the session ends. We need like some crazy push somewheres and signal, and next candle to be opposite candle. But right now real value indicator is exactly at the 0 point for actually both of those pairs, so I don't see that this will happen. So yeah, I think that's it for the day. We see you later on. US 30, it would be hard recovery, and yeah, like I will keep eye on the market still. Okay, thank you for joining, and see you later. Bye bye.